We're introducing this month's Kids Club DIY subscription box. We are so excited to offer this craft project each month for your child to paint at home. An awesome creative experience for kids to try something new. Once a month, you'll receive a DIY box kit, including all the supplies that you're going to need to finish your project. So this month's DIY box includes 2 wood signs and 2 stencils saying "Have courage" and "Be kind." Your craft project will be different each month, and they'll take about 45 minutes to complete each kit. Instructions are included, and you'll require minimal assistance and guidance with the paint projects for kids ages 7 and up for both boys and girls. Now, these DIY kits are available for pickup at our Langley store location, but of course we also offer online shipping to anywhere in Canada. So now the first DIY box does include all the brushes and a denim paint apron for use every month. Now, the bonuses that are included each month are a surprise, so it's something unique for your kids to look forward to. Don't worry, parents, there's never going to be any glitter. Now, you can cancel at any time after your 3-month subscription, which is required with this DIY box. All you have to do is click the link below to subscribe, and the rest you can leave up to us. So you can head to our website at homeworksetcetera.ca, and we'll leave the link below. Happy painting!